What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video I'm going to unbox this uh, big brother. These are the speakers 5.1 by Philips and the model number is SPA8000B. So I'm going to unbox these speakers in this video. As you can see, the box is sealed now and it is also covered with the poly bag outside the box. So I'm going to unbox it, and you can see the MRP written here outside the box is 13,490 Indian rupees, but I've actually got for 8,600 rupees, and under 9,000 it's a good speaker. If you want to look for alternative, you can go for FND 5060X and in Sony also, uh, but Sony is quite expensive and FND 5060 is also like 4,000. You have to spend 4,000 more. FND. This one is pretty nice, and it supports Bluetooth also, and it has inbuilt FM also, and they have provided an antenna inside the box, and also you can connect it to what there is also a USB port. If you want to connect it to your laptop or your mobile device, then you can also connect and play the audio. And there is also an aux cable, RCA to aux, which you can use to connect the speaker directly to your computer. And I will show you, I will also talk about the problem that once you like plug the speakers to your computer or to your TV, only the front left and front right speakers work. The center, the surround left and surround right speakers won't work. So I will tell you how to solve that issue in this video. So let's get started. Warranty, and one more thing, to register it for warranty purposes, you have to go to Philips online website and register your product, your model number, to claim for the warranty. And I think the warranty period is of 1 year. Is it written here? I guess not. See, net contains one subwoofer. The size of the woofer is 8 inches, 5 N satellite or the speakers with surround, one remote, one to RCA cable, and one FM antenna, and one user manual. And the total power consumption of this thermal power output is 120 watts at maximum peak. And one more thing, guys, see, it is written here that 12,000 watt PMPO. See, if you can see here, see here, PMPO. PMPO, what does PMPO means? PMPO means, it's actually written as watts PMPO on packaging, as power output of speakers is measured in watts. So PMPO abbreviates for peak music power output, or PMPO. This is a term that is used mostly to advertise the quality of sound that is expelled from amplifiers. So it is not quite a defined term, however it is thought to be the sum of peak power that the amplifiers use in any sound system. So it is written outside the box. I'm just going to unbox this. First I have to remove this. And the sound quality is pretty okay. I found it good. The sound quality is good. I've already I've already unboxed one of this device before, like 2 days ago. So, and I can pretty much say that sound is crystal clear. It is like above FND and below Sony speakers, and the bass is also very powerful. But one thing that I would like to point out, that the bass speaker is covering with net cloth. Okay, so at high volumes it also vibrates the woofer, and the sound mixes with main speaker and distort it a little bit. This is the only issue with the covering of the cloth of woofer. Otherwise sound quality is awesome. and the satellites, the speakers are exposed to dust. So Philips can work on that part too. See, this is the box from all four angles. EMPO. This is the front. See, USB FM radio SD card, audio input like aux, and there are four modes: FM, aux, DVD player, and the fourth one is Bluetooth. See, you can see right in the center of the woofer AU is for aux, and the maximum audio is 30. So you can increase or decrease the volume using the remote or using your computer or TV, whatever you want to connect it to. Find my scissor. See, it is sealed now. I'm going to open this box right in front of you guys. I don't edit my videos after shooting these because I don't have pretty much time to spend on editing the videos. So if you guys want to watch the video, and if you don't have much time, you can watch the video in 1.5x or 2x speed. That depends on you. So I've opened the box and I'll show you what's inside. See, this is what a tag. You can hang it on your wall if you want it. A user manual and RCA cable along with the remote. 5 satellites. See, I'll show you, there are markings on each of them. SR, here you can see SR is written. SR is for surround right, and this probably is for surround left. Yes, it's SL. SL means surround left. FL, front left speaker. CEN is for center one, and FR is for not for France. FR is for front right. See, so you guys can set up these speakers in a way like FL and FR you can put on the top right and top left corner of the TV, and SLSR in the bottom left bottom right corner, and CEN you can place it on center of the TV on your table. And there is one good thing, you can actually hang it on wall just by like hammering a nail on the wall and hang this. RCA cable. So I'm just going to remove this and show you guys the woofer, the subwoofer inside this box. Just a second. And the LED indicator in the subwoofer is of red color. The frequency range is varies from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is audible to human ear. The noise is greater than 60 decibels, and the input sensitivity is 550 millivolts. impedance for ohm, etc, etc. Okay, and I will also tell you how to increase and decrease base of the woofer coming from the woofer. Now I have removed all the 5 satellites. Here is the woofer beneath the satellites. So if you guys can wait, I'll just pull out the woofer and throw away the carton. All right, there it goes. So this is upside down now. This is the left hand side of the woofer. This is the front. It's covered in plastic. So here, as you can see, here in between, this is the display, and there are also 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 buttons which you can use to increase decrease the volume, the input source, play next and play previous, and play pause, the audio file, and of course the video files too. And show you guys in the behind of the woofer. See, if you want to connect your woofer and your speakers to a computer, you have 5 satellites. Each of the satellite or each of the speaker you have to connect here according to their given name. That C is for center. You have to connect the center speaker here. FL is for front left, SL is surround left, SR is for surround right, FR is for front right. So you have to check, you must check the speaker's name behind the speakers or behind the satellites and connect it to the right one. Okay, and here this RCA cable, white one goes inside white one, red one goes inside red one, and the other end of the cable, the aux one, you have to connect it to the speaker output in your CPU. And this power cord, you unless if you won't connect it, the of course the speaker won't work. On off power button and serial number, etc. And see, here also you can insert SD card directly, and here is one USB 2.0 port. They can give, they should give USB 3.0 port, but I think that's of no use here. So that's all guys. One more thing, where is the remote? As I promised you in the starting of this video that I will show you how to fix one problem here. See, see guys, sorry for the delay. See, here is the remote of this speakers. See, the first problem that many users will face, that on connecting this after connecting all the cables to your computer or TV, only the front left and front right speaker will work. Then you have to click this button, the select button right here beneath the input button. I'll show you. See here, this is the select button. Let it focus. Okay, this button, you have to click select button. You can click select button to like increase decrease the volume, front left, and the center one, the subwoofer and the bass. like click it, if you click it 4 times then it will go for bass, and you can increase and decrease the bass from volume up and volume down buttons, which are on top and bottom of this arrow keys. And to fix the problem that only two speakers will work, there is a button called Pro Logic, or in old ones you will see a button named Equalizer. See, let it focus. It is not focusing here. See, this is the button Pro Logic. So you have to turn Pro Logic on. While pressing it, you will see that in the display here you will see Pro written, and you have to switch it on. You have to switch it on to use all of the 5 satellites. Okay, so that will resolve the issue. That's it. See you guys in my later video. And talking about, I already talked about the price, and for Amazon you can buy it for like 10,000 or 10,500, but if you want to get it for even much less, then you have to go for India Mart. So I think that's all. If you have any doubts or questions, you can always ask me in the comment sections. I will always reply you. See you guys, love you. See you in my next video. Bye.